Workplace violence can be defined as any act or threat of physical violence, harassment, intimidation, or other harmful behavior that occurs at or outside the workplace. It encompasses a wide range of actions, from verbal abuse and threats to physical assault and even homicide. Understanding the different types of workplace violence is essential for supervisors in identifying potential risks and taking appropriate preventative measures. Workplace violence manifests in various forms, each presenting its unique set of challenges and risks. It is essential to categorize these types to better understand the nature of the issue. Criminal intent. This type of workplace violence involves individuals with no connection to the organization who commit crimes such as robbery or trespassing on company premises. Although employees may not be the primary targets, they can still become victims if they happen to be in the wrong place at the wrong time. Customer or client violence. In certain industries, like retail, healthcare, or customer service, employees may face violence from disgruntled customers or clients. This can range from verbal abuse to physical assaults, often stemming from dissatisfaction with products, services, or interactions. Worker-to-worker violence. Interactions between coworkers can also turn violent. This includes conflicts, bullying, and physical altercations among employees within the same organization. Personal relationship violence. At times, personal disputes or domestic issues can spill over into the workplace, leading to violence. An example might be an estranged spouse or partner seeking revenge against an employee at their workplace. Ideological violence. In some instances, workplace violence may be driven by ideological or political beliefs. Employees who have extreme views may pose a threat to others, potentially leading to acts of violence or extremism within the workplace. Prevalence and impact of workplace violence. Workplace violence is not a rare occurrence. It affects a significant number of workplaces and employees. Statistics reveal the extent of the issue. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, workplace violence accounted for 30% of all occupational fatalities in 2019. The National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, or NIOSH, reported that around 2 million U.S. workers experience workplace violence each year. A study conducted by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, found that healthcare and social service workers are at the highest risk for workplace violence, with many incidents going unreported. The impact of workplace violence is far-reaching and can affect employees, organizations, and even society as a whole. For employees, it often results in physical and psychological harm, leading to increased stress, anxiety, and decreased job satisfaction. In some cases, it can lead to long-term trauma and post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD. Organizations also bear the brunt of workplace violence in the form of reduced employee morale, increased turnover, higher healthcare costs, and potential legal liabilities. Moreover, incidents of violence can tarnish a company's reputation and erode trust among employees and customers. Workplace violence is a multifaceted issue with severe consequences for individuals and organizations. As supervisors, it is our responsibility to recognize the various types of workplace violence and take proactive steps to prevent and address it. By gaining a deeper understanding of this problem, we can create safer and more secure work environments for our employees, fostering productivity and well-being. Welcome to Preventing Workplace Violence for Supervisors training. In this course, we will cover the following learning objectives: legal considerations and risk assessment, communication, conflict resolution and reporting, employee training and education, policies, procedures, and emergency planning.